Okay, this next nootropic is one that you probably aren't sure that's even a nootropic, but it's the supplement called creatine. And creatine has been in that realm of the bodybuilders and the athletes to boost muscle hydration, to boost muscle response, and it really also belongs in the world of the nootropics for brain function. Creatinine tends to replenish the ATP stores in the actively firing neurons of the brain, so it becomes a really good adjunct to other nootropics that you're using, because you tend to get depleted in the ATP when the neurons are active. And the whole idea behind nootropics is generally to enhance the activity of these neurons. And there are some studies. There's not a great deal of study on the nootropic effects of creatine, but it improves memory. It's been shown to improve cognitive function. There's even a study that shows it can help mitigate the negative effects of sleep deprivation. So there are some very positive things about creatine, and you may want to consider adding this to your nootropic stack. Generally 2 to 5 grams a day is acceptable. The 5 grams is typically in that realm of the person using it for athletic function and increasing the hydration of the muscle mass. 2 grams is more along the lines of nootropic use.